Thank you for joining me for a brief look at what made the 20s roaring. And we're going to focus on that bull market. So investors had time to get into the bull market. There was no need to buy the bottom. There was no need to take excessive risk at the top. There was ample time to profit from this bull market. But stock selection was the key. During the decade, about half of the listed stocks went up and half went down. It was a time of transition in the economy. Old economy firms were struggling. That was textile, coal, and railroad firms. Coal was being displaced by oil. And textile manufacturing was moving to cheaper locations. Railroad firms were facing competition from air and, to a larger degree, from trucks. Automobiles, radios, consumer appliances, these stocks soared. And some of the examples are simply incredible. GM, the stock gained more than 2,000% while earnings rose 1,750%. The gain, in other words, was justified by the earnings. RCA gained as much as 30,000% during the bull market. Let's look at RCA in detail. Now, I'm looking at beginning in about 1924, and over the next 4 years, the stock gained 400%. That's an incredible run in such a short period of time. And after a 400% run, many investors are going to be reluctant to jump in. However, over the next 4 years, that stock gained another 500%. Now, we do know this is the 20s. The bubble lasted for years. Bubbles always end badly, and the stock ended up about where it began. That's the nature of a bubble. But as the stock raced ahead, it did come down, it did go back up. There was an opportunity to get out, and to get out with significant gains. There was also an opportunity to let this stock form a nice base pattern, then jump in and enjoy large gains. We are facing a similar situation. We're transitioning to a new economy, and we don't really know what that is, but we have survived the Great Recession. We have gone through the new normal, and we're about to enter the new growth era. Old economy stocks are going to lag, and the gains in the economy's winners will be large. We're going to have time to identify the winners. Remember, RCA gained 500% after it gained 400%. We can look at more recent examples where Walmart delivered big gains after achieving big gains. There's always time to get in. We're going to be talking about the Roaring 20s and more in our series here on YouTube. So to complete your roadmap to prosperity in the decade ahead, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.